Hi everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I'm going to show you the Divi Photographer child theme and show you how to get this installed and get the demo content installed as well. So let's take a real quick look over this child theme. Here we have a stylized header and we have a drop down here with some different pages in it. Lots of different pages here that are included, different layouts, and some of these are actually built with a theme builder such as the blog, post, and category and tag pages, and there's also a search results page. Let's go take a look here. Let's just start off with a gallery here that is customized so that these images are always the right aspect ratio. You can see that there's a nice subtle hover effect where there's an outline, but then when you hover, the outline goes away and you get a slight overlay. Here's a little bit of an about section and the blog grid. And again, they have that same effect on all of the images. Here we have an opt-in section with a nice stylized single field email opt-in. And then we have an Instagram plugin integrated here that is showing 6 of the latest posts from an Instagram account. And then of course we have a menu down here and some social links, and we even have privacy policy and terms and condition pages. Stylized back to top button over here. Let's go check out some of the portfolio pages. So each one of these 4 are already styled and are the same. So we have wedding, newborn, family, and seniors. So each one of these is going to be the same. Each one of these top sections will actually link you down. So here's a gallery. Now I want to point out that the gallery has very customized pagination. It has customized columns, the number of columns, and we've modified the thumbnail size so that they display clear. And then when you click, we have a very stylized gallery light box here as well. So you can just, browse through here. And again, this is the light box that comes with Divi, but we've really customized it. All right, beyond that is just some information. Kind of just have it set up like that on all the pages. And then here it talks about the pricing and contacting them, and then there's a testimonial section, goes down through, and this is going to be very similar on all of them. Here's a contact form, and then we get that footer again. The same thing here on the newborn page. We just are using the different pages to showcase what is possible. Here's the family page. And then we have one for high school seniors, but of course you could do as many different ones as you would want by duplicating these or modifying these. Next, we have an FAQ page. You could call it an information page, and it just talks about, goes over things like in the planning stages, you might have questions that you would ask, and then we have this stylized accordion here. And here's the about page. Kind of have an intro here, another section, call to action here, and then some company logos and testimonials. The blog page as well is very customized. We have a list of all the recent blog posts here in the blog module, and then in the sidebar we have a stylized search bar, recent posts, categories. Everything here is very customized. You can obviously change these colors, just different things here that we've added to the blog, and then the pagination as well is custom. The single posts are using the theme builder template, and that has a similar layout and same sidebar. And then we just added a couple things here like the author that will automatically fill in there, and then the comment section. Category and tag and search results page are all the same. They are built with the theme builder, so those will automatically populate. Like the title here, this is actually the family category. So any posts that are in the family category will show here. And then the contact page is pretty simple. Just have, a photo and some text here and contact form. All right, so let's get this thing installed. Be sure to be checking out our documentation page. That's found at pacreative.com/docs/Divi Photographer. And here you have all the instructions. So first of all, obviously you need to have the Divi theme installed and activated, and then go ahead and download the zip file to your computer. Here it talks about the child theme installation. So let's go ahead and go to the back end of this site here. I'm going to show you how to install it on this site. So as you can see, this is the default Divi installation. Nothing has been added here yet. Let's go to the dashboard. So go down here to Appearance and Themes. As you can see, we have the Divi theme active. So go ahead and click on Add New, and then click on Upload Theme. Choose the file from your computer, and then click Install Now. All right, let's go ahead and click Activate on that. And now you can see that the active theme is Divi Photographer. You'll also notice up here in the side it says Divi Photographer, and then when you go over there it says Easy Demo Import. So go ahead and click on that. So just a reminder that we installed the theme, but that does not install the demo content. We have to do that next. And that's what we're doing here with this step here, import the demo content. Just want to point out that here we have some information about whether you're using a new or existing website. If you're using a new website like I am, you have nothing to worry about. Just go ahead and import the demo content. If you're using an existing website, then you may want to check out some of these options here that we get on the import screen. You might want to deselect something like menus or just anything like that. All right, let's go ahead and click this blue button and import our demo content. You'll see it run through this little animation here, and it's telling you what steps it's working on right now. And now everything is checked, so everything is done. This option here actually will remove the tool that imported the content. So you can go ahead and click on that. All right, so let's go check out the front end of our website. We'll go up here and click Visit Site. And just like that, the website that you saw before has now been changed into the Divi Photographer template. So you can come in here and start customizing, adding your own images, of course, and changing the content, obviously. So showcase all of your photos, put them in the galleries, write your own content. Obviously, we used something called Cat Ipsum. So there's some funny content there you can read. Be sure to change that because some of it's kind of silly. And be sure to keep following along on the documentation. As far as the photos, we can't legally include them. So we have placeholder images, and obviously you want to use your own gorgeous photos anyway. And the style guide is included as well. You can download that here. And of course, if you need any more help, just let us know. All right, so I want to show you a couple things. Under the Divi menu, go to Theme Builder. Here you can see all the Theme Builder templates that are included with this. So you can see the global header and footer. That's where you go and edit those using the Divi Builder. And then the blog posts, they have a custom body that's right here, and the categories, tags, and search results page. As far as the CSS, you'll want to go under Appearance and Theme Editor. And here, make sure that Divi Photographer is selected here, and then you can see style.css, functions.php, a JavaScript folder, and then the license. So here you can see all of the CSS is located right here. Every item has a comment. So I try to do that as something that I always do with all of our child themes. And like we say over here, if you are looking to, change the color scheme, we have that guide right here for that. All right, well, I hope you enjoy customizing your Divi Photographer child theme. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions. Over here on our documentation at the bottom, we do have this support form where you can fill it out and let us know if you have any questions or any issues. And that's everything I need to cover here. Hope you enjoy using your child theme.